Hey everyone, Jared Wackerly here with Dynasty Nerds. Welcome to the editorial team. If you're watching this video, you're likely a new writer for us. So I'm going to walk you through our Notion hub where you will live essentially as a content creator or a writer for us. Anytime you have a new idea for an article that you want to write, or you just want to check the schedule of articles that are currently in the pipeline or the status of your articles, you can come here to the Notion hub and check it out. So I will walk you through the dashboard here and how you will use it and our general company workflow for our editorial team. So if you're watching this video, you likely clicked here, New Writer, Start Here. And first things first, you will want to fill out this form with all your information, first and last name, your start date here at Dynasty Nerds, your phone number so we can contact you in case we need to, your birth date, it's optional, your PayPal email, this is very important. This is how you will get paid for the articles that you write or anything else that you do here at Dynasty Nerds. And then your email, it can be the same as your PayPal email, obviously, but in case you have a different email that you like to be contacted by, you can put it here. And then we ask that you upload a high-resolution photo of yourself. You know, this can be something from Facebook or wherever. Just something that shows your face so we can all see who you are. And then copy and paste your Twitter URL for your profile here. And then once you've filled all this information out, there will be a submit button that populates down here. And I am currently making the video that will go here, so you can ignore this for now. Then down here is a GIF that shows you how to create a new article. So you can click here and go back to the My Editorial page. So this dashboard here is where you will live. First, we'll go through creating a new article. Anytime you have a new idea for a new article that you want to write, or maybe it's a next article in your series, anytime you're going to write a new article, you just simply click this button. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to create a new article? You'll click continue, and it will take you to your new article page. So anything related to your new article will live here in this page. So you can give your article a name, top 5 RBs heading into 2023, something. And you could ignore these fields for now, or you can enter them here. It's up to you, but the checklist down here will walk you through everything. If you click this button, it'll take you back to the My Editorial dashboard. But every time you create a new article, this checklist will populate. And it will walk you through what we at Dynasty Nerds expect you to fill out for your new article. So obviously, make sure you are listed as the author for this page. So you can just click this field, and your name will be populated here, so we know who the author is of this article. And in case there are any other collaborators on this article, you can add them as another author to this page. So check that off. Change the name of this page from untitled to the name of your article. It says scroll to the top and type the name of the article above the fields and properties, which you may have already done here. And then we ask that you select the due date for when you plan to have this article done. So you can come in here and let's just say October 13th. And we'll check that off. Now you'll want to add tags to your article based on what your article is about. So is it a strategy article regarding analytics? Is it a rookie profile, a mock draft, Or if you're on the Devi team or the IDP team, you'll want to make sure that you tag it with either Devi or IDP. So we'll just pretend that it is a strategy article. If you click this button, it will automatically add the strategy tag to your article as you see here. So we can check that off. And if you're watching this in the future, there may be more tags that we add eventually. So this may not be 100% accurate or what you see, but generally it'll give you the idea what to do. So we encourage our writers to first write their article or their rough draft of their article in a Word doc or a Google Doc. So you can link that here. It's not absolutely required, but we do like it. It allows us to reference, our editors to reference in case they need to. So you just click this button and you can either upload a Word doc or you can embed a Google Doc. So we'll pretend I did that. Provide the URL link to the pictures you're requesting to feature in your article. So we use licensed pictures from Icon SportsWire. We can only use pictures on our website from this website. And this is extremely important so we don't get hit with a lawsuit. So you just click this button. It'll take you over to Icon SportsWire, and you can search for a player you are featuring in your article up here in the Filter My Results, and click on the picture you want and grab the URL for this page. Then head back into Notion and just embed the link to that article, to that image. And, you can do up to 5. Maybe you need more. You shouldn't need more than 5. I gave 5 spots here. 5's overkill. We pay for these. And then below, in case you have any GIFs in your article, this is a HTML code block. You can drop the code in here for our editors to reference in case they need to, in case there's a failure on your WordPress post or something's not working. So once you do that, obviously you just check the box as you go and complete things here. Confirm the accuracy of stats and facts used in your article. Check your subject matter is still relevant. Obviously, fantasy football news changes very quickly. We don't want to post any irrelevant information in our articles. And then you want to add your article to WordPress. There is a walkthrough guide here in the form of a Microsoft Word document that you can click on this button and download, and it will walk you through step by step how to upload your article to WordPress. So just click this button in case you need it. Most of you will probably already know how to do that. And then we encourage our writing staff to use the free version of Grammarly. If you just click this button, it will take you to Grammarly, the free version. And that'll help you spell check and grammar check your article. Once your article is on WordPress, you can type your excerpt. So here's a GIF below that walks you through that process. This is what people will see on Twitter when your article is posted. And then you'll want to set the theme of the template or template to the theme. There's a GIF below that walks you through that process. And then you'll want to save the article as pending in the pending stage. There's a GIF that walks you through that process as well. Now this is important. This is so the our editing staff knows that your article is ready to be reviewed and scheduled. So right here, you will change the article status to pending review. And this will automatically assign your article to our editing staff. And that will populate in the editing staff's dashboard. Once articles are submitted for pending review, they will review them. And then once they have reviewed them, they will change the status of your article to ready to schedule. And then so on and so forth. They will change the status to scheduled and published when those things have happened. But you are done here with your article checklist. Your article is likely scheduled now on WordPress for dynastynerds.com. And you can click this button to take you back to the My Editorial dashboard. Now, about the My Editorial dashboard. Below, you'll see here are some different tabs of views, and this is all filtered to your articles only. So you will see your articles here in the researching and idea phase. Any articles that are in the in progress phase, so you're still writing it. If you've submitted articles for pending review, they'll show up here. And then anything that's ready to be scheduled are here. And just like the article I just made for the example in this video. And if they are scheduled, you'll see them here. All your article ideas will surface here. So these are all articles that are in the planning stages or the idea stage. And any articles that you have finished and are currently published will show up here. Below is the due date calendar. So this is a calendar of everyone's articles that are currently in the in progress, pending review, ready to schedule, or scheduled phase. So this is just a dashboard view and a calendar view of everything in the pipeline for the website, so you can see who is writing what. In case you have an idea, you can come down here and check and make sure that nobody is already writing something like that. So here you can see top 5 RBs heading into 2023, who the authors are, who this is assigned to, and what status it is in. And this is shown by due date. And here is a view just like above of the article pipeline. So this is not just filtered to you like above. This will show you everyone's articles. So this is just a overview of everyone's articles and what status they're currently in case you don't want to look at it from the calendar standpoint. And above here are just some resources and pages for you to reference, like we have office hours during the season. This kind of just gives you an overview of what the office hours are about, what our needs are, and then there's a sign-up link in case you want to be involved. And then there's a resources page of different resources that we have posted here for the editorial staff. That is pretty much it at this point. There may be additions, and I'm sure there will be changes, but for the most part, this should give you a good overview of how this system works. You also will have access to the Dynasty Nerds homepage, where we will share contact cards of everyone involved on the staff, you know, what they do, what teams they're a part of, and you can find other company resources, like if you want to become an affiliate for dynastynerds.com and earn a commission on signups, you can do that here. Other resources and perks, access to logos for Dynasty Nerds, you can do that here. And then there will be a company contact card that you can click on yourself and update your own information if you need to. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to tag me on Discord. And thanks for watching.